Oh my god, this is my first pee! Okay guys, so I'm trying to keep it together. But pretty much, I wanted to film this little like intro thing out on like my patio, but they're doing construction so I can't. I really just wanted to say, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am in no way bragging. This is really just a video of a testimony for what I prayed for myself going forward over the summer. And maybe I'll go into detail a little later on about just everything that's been going on, but I could not have done this without God. Literally, he's like the best, guys. I'm trying to keep it together because I literally don't know how. Well, I know how, it's because of God, but like, he's just so good, and I pray that everybody would find their relationship with him and just plunge into him. People are gonna let you down all the time, but God is never failing, and this is just a testimony of his love and his grace towards me, and just doing what he told me to do and sticking to it. This is just for what God said to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hello?
Hi, how are you?
How are you? I'm doing good. Can I help you? Are you selling Girl Scout cookies?
No, I'm not.
Oh, are you Jehovah's Witness? I'm not interested.
No, MTV Cribs.
Oh, MTV.
Do you have a minute?
I have 5. I have a quick.
I mean, it would be quick.
Okay, come on in.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
How are you?
Welcome to mi casa.
Thank
Mi
you.
casa es su casa.
It's a pleasure.
Come on in. Don't sit on the cold. Take your shoes off. I know I have mine on, but it's my house.
This is my block.
Okay guys, so this is like the first little, guest bathroom, so that they're not all up in my business. I have my own personal space. So this is where people would just come in and use the bathroom if they have to. I think what I'm gonna do is put like a picture of my dog right over here, because right here, it's not the first thing I want people to see. I want them to see inviting, warm. So that's the thing I'm doing here, but it's just like a cute little small bathroom. If you have to pee or whatever, you don't gotta go in my room. Okay guys, so one of the things that really sold me on this place was the fact that they had this counter space. So it eliminates the fact that I won't have to have a desk, which is what I needed. Sometimes I work from home, or when I'm editing YouTube videos, it's great to just have a desk here, plus it takes up less space from having it in my room. And then they were nice enough to give me this like gift basket with like a bunch of goodies, just to like invite me into the new space. So they gave me some bounty, I got some pasta.
They got money.
Even though I'm doing keto, I have to donate it. She knows me too well. She gave me an apple. Okay. If you guys don't know, I like to cook, and being that I'm on keto, we're definitely seeing a lot more vlogs with me cooking. Let me know in the comment section any food you guys want me to cook. Like, I'm gonna get like an apron and everything, Betty Crocker, Emerald, just cooking.
Martha No Jail.
Cooking up in the kitchen.
Martha Stewart. No jail.
Martha Stewart, no
Snoop.
So it comes with like a stove, which is nice. Comes with a microwave, and then I got a dishwasher. There's not gonna be any washing in the sink. You know what I mean?
We'll no longer need a scrubber.
I'm messing up my nails. No getting pruny nails.
Hey.
And then this is my fridge. I have like takeout. You guys know I love Smart Water because of the way the bottle looks. So I just put a few in there for right now, and then. What's this we have?
What is that? What is that?
Moscato. Should we pour some?
I think we should.
Too bad we don't have any glasses. Too bad we don't have any glasses. Would you like some?
I would love some.
Get you some. Quick little wine break. You guys know I like wine. Just quick little 1, 2. It's not like I'm Canadian, but I'm not. You know how Canadians say like a 1, 2, look a 1, a look a 1, 2.
Hey.
Wait, should I sit on the counter? I mean, I can, right?
But it's okay, because guess what? It's your counter.
This is my block.
Can I sit on the counter?
You can stand on the counter.
Down?
You can jump on the counter.
Would you like some wine?
I would love some.
There
Thank
you go.
you.
You're welcome. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. So guys, the number one thing that sold me was this right here. This fireplace. So this is like the number one thing I was like, I need it. So and it just looks pretty. I think I'll probably get like a TV right here. I want to do like all gray furniture, like you guys know. As you can see the fit, I'm obsessed with gray. I want to do like a gray couch and yeah, cozy by the fireplace with someone special.
Liam Hemsworth.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Brad Pitt.
Christopher.
Janet.
This wine's kind of getting to me. Anyways, guys, so this is also another thing that kind of sold me. The fact that I had my own laundry set. I didn't want to be, doing the hassle of bringing my laundry downstairs to a basement, getting quarters for the laundry machine, just the whole laundry process when like living in apartment places, especially with like me already doing it in college. Like I've experienced it, I've gone through it, I've had enough. I'm good.
Fed up.
If I want to leave my laundry in the washing machine, if I don't even want to do my laundry, I can. I'm not sponsored by Gain, but if you're interested in sponsoring me, that just so happens to be my favorite detergent.
No shade to Tide.
No shade to Tide. No shade to Brawny, Arm & Hammer. Okay guys, so this is my bedroom. I know it's echoing so there's no furniture in here, but it's a pretty decent space. And then what I was thinking of doing is like a canopy bed. Like I've always wanted a canopy bed, and I remember when I was younger, my mom told me, no, she's like, you're gonna hate it, but I think I want like a canopy bed in here, and then maybe like a dresser. I don't really want too much furniture, and then I also want like a vanity set maybe. I haven't really decided, but I do. If you want to come this way,
Lead the way.
I do have a walk-in closet, which is very helpful. If you guys don't know, I have a lot. I have a lot of clothing. Probably need to donate some of it to someone in need. But
Me.
this is my first time having a walk-in closet, and I have like a lot of space to put like long dresses, winter coats, my shoes. I can even fold clothes and put them on here too, so like, I'm pretty impressed with this space. Okay guys, so this is my bathroom, and it's a two-mirror one. I don't actually need both of them, it's just me. Unfortunately living the single life, but I'm ready to mingle. You're ready. And then I have this toilet, which is kind of like secluded in the corner. And then you guys, this is my bath, so it's like a shower and a bath. It's a pretty decent bath size.
What, are you gonna get in there?
I mean, I can.
This is my block.
I mean, should I not?
It's up to you because it's your apartment.
I've never taken a bath before.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Only because I've been like afraid to take baths. Like, you not knowing who's been in the bath before. Like,
Or what they do.
Like, especially at hotels. Like,
Why does it take 45 minutes?
minutes? But like, if I wanted to. If I wanted to, I could.
I just want your extra time and your kiss.
If I want to like read a book,
Read your Bible.
read my Bible. If I want to drink some wine, Olivia Pope, watch some Scandal. You know what I'm saying? Like I I'm definitely gonna hit up like the Lush store. Maybe get like a bath bomb or something. But if you guys want to see like a pamper routine, like a face mask, me just unwinding my day, let me know. Put like towels in here. But I'm gonna keep my makeup all in one space because my makeup would always be like in my room. Then I have to bring it all the way to the bathroom and then break, smashed. I've broken a few Fenty
Fenty ain't cheap.
Fenty is not cheap. Rihanna, help us, sister.
Ow.
Rihanna, where's the album?
Rihanna, we've been waiting. I've been still saying needed you. I need you.
I've been singing Work. You're not even with Drake anymore.
Are you working on your album?
Are you working?
I don't think you are.
I don't think you are. But, I mean, this pretty much completes the tour. I'm not saying you have to go.
Moving to the right.
You gotta get
never been mad at you. Remember being broke, I was eyeing you. Now I have you, but keep it 100, did you have faith when I